Progressing to one-arm push-ups is a challenging but achievable goal that requires consistent training and gradual progression. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you work your way up to performing one-arm push-ups. Welcome back to another exciting video from Fitness by RM. Today's video is about how to progress to one-arm push-ups. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Master regular push-ups. Begin with regular push-ups to establish a solid foundation. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core muscles to maintain stability. Lower your chest towards the ground while keeping your elbows close to your body. Push yourself back up to the starting position. Pay attention to your form, ensuring that your hips don't sag or rise too high. Build upper body strength. To progress to one-arm push-ups, it's crucial to develop significant upper body strength. Incorporate a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups. Push-up variations. Experiment with wide grip, narrow grip, diamond, and decline push-ups to work different areas of your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Dips. Perform dips on parallel bars or using a sturdy chair. Lower your body by bending your elbows and then push back up. Bench press. Incorporate barbell or dumbbell bench presses to challenge your chest muscles with heavier weights. Rows. Include horizontal and vertical rowing exercises using resistance bands, dumbbells, or a rowing machine. Rows strengthen your back muscles. Strengthen core muscles. A strong core is essential for stability during one-arm push-ups. Incorporate a variety of core exercises into your routine. Planks. Practice forearm planks, side planks, and plank variations such as plank leg lifts to engage your core muscles. Russian twists. Use a weight or medicine ball to perform Russian twists, engaging your obliques. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and alternate bringing your elbow to your opposite knee in a bicycling motion. Leg raises. Strengthen your lower abdominal muscles with leg raises while lying on your back. Progressive one-arm training. Assisted one-arm push-ups. Start by elevating one hand on an object like a bench or step. Lower your body while keeping one hand on the elevated surface. Gradually decrease the height of the surface over time until you can perform the push-up on the ground. One-arm eccentric push-ups. Begin in a one-arm push-up position with your non-working hand placed on a raised surface. Focus on the eccentric, lowering phase of the push-up. Slowly lower your body using controlled strength in your working arm. Use your non-working arm to help push yourself back up to the starting position. Partial one-arm push-ups. Progress to partial one-arm push-ups by lowering your body a few inches. Over time, increase the depth of your push-up until you achieve a full range of motion. Full one-arm push-ups. Once you've developed sufficient strength and control, attempt a full one-arm push-up. Keep your non-working arm close to your body for balance. Focus on maintaining a straight body line throughout the movement. Maintain proper form. Regardless of the progression stage, always prioritize maintaining proper form. A straight line from head to heels is crucial for stability. Engage your core muscles to prevent your hips from sagging. Keep your working arm positioned slightly away from your body to prevent excessive strain on your shoulder joint. Proper form is critical for both safety and effective training. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Engage your core muscles to prevent your hips from sagging. Maintain a slight angle between your working arm and your torso to reduce strain on your shoulder. Lower your body with control and push up explosively. Balance and stability. Enhance your balance and stability through various exercises. Incorporate yoga or balance-focused workouts into your routine to improve overall stability. Perform single-leg exercises such as single-leg squats or pistol squats to challenge your balance and leg strength. Enhance your balance and stability through exercises like yoga or single-leg exercises. These exercises engage your stabilizer muscles, helping you maintain control during one-arm push-ups. Frequency and rest. Train your one-arm push-up progression 2 to 3 times per week. Allow sufficient rest between sessions for recovery and muscle growth. Overtraining can lead to injuries and hinder progress. Allow adequate rest between sessions to promote muscle recovery and prevent overtraining. Rest and recovery are essential for muscle growth and strength development. Patience and persistence. Progressing to one-arm push-ups takes time. Stay patient and celebrate each milestone. Consistent effort over an extended period will yield results. Achieving one-arm push-ups is a significant accomplishment that requires time and dedication. Progress may be slow, but stay committed to the process. Consistency in your training and gradual progression will yield results over time. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any discomfort or pain. If you experience pain during training, stop immediately and assess your form. Consult a fitness professional or physical therapist if needed. Pay close attention to your body's signals. If you experience any pain or discomfort during training, stop immediately and reassess your technique. Consult a fitness professional or physical therapist if needed to ensure you're performing the exercises correctly and safely. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.